Oh guys, there were 2 deers. They ran away. Oh no, I scared them away. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's early in the morning and I'm here outside on the field and it's really dark now. And my plan for today is to photograph the birds in my feeding station, and maybe I can make some photos from a deer now in the morning. But yes, let's see. If you will see more videos like this, subscribe my channel and like this video. So yes, one thing more. Look at this. I have a microphone. Yes, I think I have to use the internal microphone from my vlogging cam today because I need an adapter, and yes, but it's really nice, and for my big camera, my main camera, I use this microphone today. So yes, let's see what's happened. Okay guys, I'm now here nearly the feeding station and I'm sitting here in the grass and I don't know if you can hear it, but there is something in the forest. I don't know what. It sounds like a bird of prey or a deer. I can't say it really exactly, but maybe it will come out later. And I will waiting here I don't know, in half an hour till it's light up a little bit. And yes, then I will go to the feeding station and photograph some birds. There was a deer, but I was too slowly and it ran away. I don't know if you can hear it, but the birds are everywhere here and they're singing and it's really nice. I think I go to the feeding station now. It's a little bit dark, but I think it's better in a few minutes. Okay guys, I'm now here in the feeding station and I don't know why, but here is nothing. No bird. I can hear them, but they are not here. And yesterday when I was here, there were everywhere birds and it was so nice, but I had not my camera and now here's nothing. I don't know why. Maybe it's cloudy or it's too early, so I'm waiting more, or I will go out and look for some nice birds and I will come later again. I think I'll do this. Can you hear the birds? It's really nice, but I think they're sitting in the top of trees and I can't see them really good. But they're really loud. Okay guys, the deers are not here and I was on my feeding station again, but there's nothing. But I will use this morning and do some macro photography and yes, maybe I find some birds. I wanted to go at home, but I found here on this field so many birds. It was amazing. It's the place where I was in the last video to photograph birds and it's gigantic here. Oh guys, look at this. It's so amazing. It's incredible. Now I really go back home because my fingers are very cold, and I think I have some good pictures. I focused me to the photography. Holy shit, look at this. Can you see it? There are so many birds here. But yes, I focused me to the photography because yes, it's more important for me to make good photos and not to make really good videos. So I hope you can understand it and it's okay for you. But yes, here are some of my pictures that I made, and yes, see you in the evening or tomorrow or in 2 days or in 3 days, I don't know. Look at this. Look at this woodpecker. It's amazing. It's a golden tit. Okay guys, now it's the next day and I'm here on my bike and I'm driving to the feeding station. I think I'm there in, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes and see if I can make some pictures today from the birds, and I hope they're here. But yes, I don't know if you can understand me because it's really windy here on my bike. So yes, see you in the feeding station. Okay guys, now I'm sitting here in my little bushcraft camp and there before me is the feeding station, and here are much more birds than yesterday, but not so much than 2 days ago because this was amazing. There were 2 green woodpeckers and 1 great spotted woodpecker, and now here are a few birds, but I'm a little bit late and it's getting dark and it's really difficult to photograph the birds because the ISO is really high. But let's see, maybe I can make some nice pictures and maybe the deer will come out later. So yes, let's see what I can photograph. Okay guys, I'm standing here in my little cabin in the bushcraft camp because it started to rain a little bit. I hope it will stop in a few minutes. But it's too dark to photograph here in the forest, and I think I could make some good pictures. I will show you this later. But I will go now outside to the field where I scared the deers away yesterday, and hopefully they will come out again today, and I will photograph them because outside on the field there's more light than here in the forest. But yes, I'm waiting here a few moments till the rain stopped a little bit. But yes, let's see if I'm lucky. The deer don't came out again today, and I'm go back home now because it's really dark, and I will come tomorrow morning again, and hopefully it's better weather and it's enough light to photograph the birds in the forest. But yes, let's see it, and till tomorrow again. Okay, it's the next morning now, and I brought some bird aid to the feeding station here, and it's really nice today because the ground is really frosty because it's really cold. And yes, I scared some birds away when I brought the bird aid in the feeding stations, but I will make some macro photos now from the frosty grass and the frosty frenches. And yes, let's see what I can do, and maybe I will come back later to the feeding station and make some bird photos. But for now, I will do macro photography. Okay guys, I changed my plan now because the birds are back. The birds are back, that's so nice. I hear them everywhere, and here are, I don't know, a lot of birds. And oh my gosh, that's incredible. But I will look if I can get a little bit closer, and I turn off the vlogging cam because I will do some nice pictures and videos now. So yes, see you later when I hopefully I have some nice pictures then. Oh my god guys, that's so incredible. There are so many birds. That's gigantic. And I don't know, I think I saw 15 different birds today, and that's really nice. I think I made over 1,000 pictures, and the birds are really not shy. They're coming, I don't know, sometimes they're coming 1 or 2 meters close to me, and that's so nice. I can make so good pictures from the birds. Today I'm really lucky, but I think it's because the ground is hard because it's frosty and it's really cold, and then they have no food in the ground, so they come to my feeding station, and that's really nice to see, and that makes me really happy. And now I'll make more pictures and videos for you. really gigantic. I go back home. It's really hard for me because here are so many birds and it's so beautiful. But it's really cold and it starts to snow right now. And my batteries are very low because I don't know, I made round about 1,000 pictures from the birds, and I filmed this with my main camera and a new microphone. I hope you hear some sound difference because the battery of my vlogging cam is low and it's really windy and it starts to snow. That's beautiful. But I go back home, and if you don't want to miss my new videos, subscribe my channel and activate the clock. See you next Sunday. Bye.